Hello. We are back for day 9, and this is a part 2 to the negative talking and breath work that we did yesterday. So I wanted to give you a little more ideas about how you can work with your breath to help you process, to help you heal, to help you relax and stay calm. So the first thing is when you are driving, I'm in my car right now. You need to drive safe, but be aware if you're gripping the steering wheel really hard, okay? Because you can ease up on the hands of the steering wheel a little bit and it will relax the rest of you. It just works. Now, make sure that you feel safe. I don't want anybody so relaxed trying to relax that they're not able to steer the car properly. But just try to lighten up a little bit on your grip, and then your body will relax and your breathing will be a little more calm. Also, when you're driving, you can relax your thighs and relax your bum. Now, you're probably not in your car right now. If you are, that is great because you can actually try it right now. If your body's already relaxed, you won't feel anything. But if you intentionally relax your thighs and relax your bottom, you can feel the relief. You'll feel the breath. You'll feel yourself calming down a little bit. And that's what we want. We want to be able to find ways to notice our breath and breathe. Now, the other thing too is when you're driving, tell yourself to breathe. And I know for me, over the years, like I hold my breath. I would hold my breath all the time because I was always waiting for something to happen. You know, when you're healing, you're always in that fight or flight mode, you know, and you're on alert and you're like, what's happening? What's going to come down next? So you're tense, you're up here, you know, all your breath is here and you want to come down and calm down. So when you're driving, when you're walking, when you're anywhere, tell yourself to breathe. And just breathe. Remind yourself to breathe. The other thing too with the breath is your stomach. When you're sitting in the seat, pull your stomach up, right? Pull up on your rib cage, or move your belly button towards your back and press your back up against the seat a little more. You know, if you have a lumbar in your car, a little lumbar support, that'll help. And then just relax your buttocks and your thighs again and breathe. And just stay calm. Remind yourself that you're going to be intentional about your breath. You're going to notice that you're there because your breath will connect you back to you. Remember we said your breath connects you back to God. So if you can remind yourself to breathe during the day, you'll always stay in the present. You'll stay in the now. You'll stay in the moment. And this is what we need. We need to stay calm. Because you don't know what you're going home to, right? If you're in a situation where, you're with somebody right now and it's not good for you, you can use these skills to help you when you enter into your home. And you can remember your breath and it can bring you back to you. It's so important to bring yourself back to yourself when you're going through a situation where you're trying to get this healing journey going and start this process. So those are some of the things that you can do with your breath. And also holding in your stomach. This is one thing I did for a long time. A lot of times I did it because it was just too big and I didn't want it to stick out. But energy can't flow, you're always tight and tense because you're trying to look a certain way. Well, just be you and relax your stomach and just relax yourself. You know, don't try to hold your stomach in to please someone else or to look better. Do something else to work on that, right? Do your sit-ups, do your jumping jacks, do your running in place, do what you can with what you've got and your limits and your time. But just remember to relax. Try to keep your body relaxed. Keep your shoulders down. And just breathe. Just breathe. Just breathe while you're driving. Just remember to breathe. So that is the idea for the day. That is the tip for the day to continue the breath work we talked about yesterday. Go ahead and grab that book at Five Below, the Ashley Neeson, right? And just work on these things. It's one day at a time. It's a little bit at a time. We'll get you there. It will get you there. And let your self-love journey, let your self-care practices, let your all these things, let them encourage you. Let them be fun for you. And don't look at like your healing journey as a chore. Get excited about getting better and better and better every day. So yeah, that's that, you guys. I'm gonna continue with my day here. I figured I have to like try to get the videos out at the same time every day. I think that would be helpful for me and then also you, so we get used to some consistency, because that's another word that is good for you as you're healing and you're growing and you're learning, is to be consistent. Be consistent. Be consistent. Are you going to be consistent? Put it in the comments. Are you going to breathe? Put it in the comments. All right, we'll talk soon. True healing begins with self-love. Bye now.